Yeah, Burnley 14th now on 43 points. Now, back-to-back multi-mile runner-up Legacy Isle makes his seasonal debut when he faces five rivals in the feature event at Caymanas Park on Saturday. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
The Rohan Crichton-trained American-bred 6-year-old bay horse Legacy Isle, to be ridden by two-time reigning champion jockey Radesh Roman, is the howling 1-2 favorite for Saturday's Reggae Trophy over 5 furlongs straight. The event is a graded stakes and open allowance contest for 3-year-old and up. Legacy Isle is coming off a 4-month break and will tote top weight of 126 pounds, but given his proven class and Grade 1 credentials, he's expected to make a winning seasonal debut and earn 50 points towards qualification for December's 5th staging of the multi-mile. His last race on December 27 saw him winning the Chris Armand Sprint impressively, beating Desert of Malibu by all of 10 lengths. Pat Plays, who is coming back down to a more favorable distance for this assignment, is expected to provide the biggest challenge to Legacy Isle. The very fit and consistent Money Market and Mighty Gully are expected to complete the frame. The feature event will be run as race number 8 at 5 p.m. First post for the 9-race card is 12:15. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.